Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting to me. So today I'm going to talk about UBI yet again. So this is the part three of my series, which is my thoughts on universal basic income or UBI. Um, so if you don't know what UBI is, you can watch part one where I explain it in brief from a in my layman terms as to what UBI is. So now if you ask me, at the end of the day, I mean I was basically exploring a what if scenario in my previous part in part two, that if robots take away each and every job that humans can even think of doing, then what are humans going to do? If everyone is going to have a huge amount of money as UBI, so if yeah, let's assume that each and every human being gets a huge amount of money from the government as a UBI, then and they do not feel humans would not have the need to work, and neither they would have the option to work, because almost literally every job is automated away. So what are humans going to do in the future? Would I mean I was basically scared of the fact that a post-work society might not work out for the benefit of human beings, might not work out for the benefit of humanity. But then there's another aspect of that I'm saying, that maybe human beings are going to focus their efforts, focus their minds on productive things, on useful things. Maybe people would focus their energies on pursuing on pursuing sensible hobbies, gardening gardening chess, or collecting stamps. Or maybe the hobbies of the future would be very different from what we think of as hobbies in the 21st century. So I don't know, I literally do not know. So maybe a post-work society is going to be a blessing for people, or it can turn out to be a curse for people. So yeah, you in that case, UBI would of course be the only, where when every job is automated away, UBI would be essential. It would not be it should not be optional. It is going to be very much essential. But yeah, what kind of a society would that look like? And so would should we human beings allow a society like that to come into existence? Should we, just because every job is automated away, and we are going to get a monthly amount of money, which is a pretty awesome amount of money, uh, that will help each and every human being, fulfill their dreams and aspirations? Would that kind of society be beneficial for human beings psychologically? I mean, a lot of people would say that humans need to work. There are a lot of humans who find value in work. So are humans going to accept the fact that, I am not relevant in the job market today, so I'm just going to take the UBI, because every job is automated away. I'm just going to use the UBI money to live my life with enjoyment. Not everyone is going to think that way. I think a lot of people would refuse to take the UBI, because a lot of people are very are very they would refuse to take anything for free, because they don't want to be quote unquote freeloaders. They would want to contribute to the society. They would want to do some meaningful work, quote unquote meaningful work, for which they would want to be paid. So they would not be so they would feel better about themselves. It gives them a purpose in their life. It gives them a sense of a sense of position in the society, that what, I am doing something for which I am getting paid, so I'm basically part of a society where I'm contributing actively. So I mean, even in a post-work society, or even in a truly automated society where every job is automated away, maybe UBI, isn't always going to solve every problem. UBI should be there, but it is not going to solve every problem, because humans are all humans cannot be expected to be expected to just to be happy jobless. Some people might enjoy the life, might enjoy the fact that they do not have to work at any job, and they will just enjoy their life, watch TV shows, drink alcohol, party with friends. Some people might do that, but there are a lot of people who want discipline in their lives, who want to work in their lives, who want to go to a 9 to 5 job. You know, we might think of a 9 to 5 job as boring, or some people might think of it as boring, but there are a lot of people who find meaning, who find value in that, who find enjoyment in that, who find satisfaction in that. So, and then there's the religious aspect, the spiritual aspect of it as well. Some people consider work to be basically a way to worship God. It is also a way that you are basically being a good human being. Being a good human being entails that you are that you are that you are working every day, that you are not wasting your life away in frivolous things. So a lot of people would find it very difficult to live in a post-work society. So I believe that in that scenario, people should be given two choices. Either they biologically augment themselves, or maybe they become half human, half cyborg, half robot, some kind of a cyborg like individual, so that their job, their skills, their intellectual skills, their physical skills are upgraded or augmented significantly, so that they can compete with robots or in the job market. So basically, I think UBI is not going to solve all problems in the world, because UBI is necessary. A certain amount of money, I still believe, should be given to each and every citizen as UBI. But even in a post-work society where literally every job is automated away, but I think that even in that kind of a society, if human beings choose to augment themselves biologically, or mechanically, by becoming some kind of a half human, half robot, some kind of a cyborg, then humans would be able to compete in the job market, and humans would not become obsolete. And that would be the best scenario, I think, for the future. And I think Elon Musk would agree with my point of views. That's why he is basically doing the whole neural lace thing. Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, UBI. I'm not against UBI, but yeah, I mean, look, everyone is not going to be satisfied with no job and just collecting the UBI money and just sitting at home and and watching some TV show. Some people need work. So yeah, UBI is not a solution for every person. People are different. People are different. So yeah, this is it from me for now. And if you think my video was good, fine. If you think my video wasn't good, that's also fine. Please consider hitting the like button, consider sharing my video, consider subscribing to my channel, and stay safe. Goodbye, and God bless you. God bless you. Goodbye. Wait a second, why is the video still recording?